Of all the forms of government serving you, county government may be the one you're least familiar with. But as you travel through life, we are always here to help, and we're with you every step of the way. From the day you're born, we're the people who issue your birth certificate and archive the original for safekeeping. If you need a copy, just call the staff at our Vital Statistics office. When it's time to get behind the wheel, get into one of our license centers. Need a renewal, transfer a title, or get your fishing license? We can do that too. Need a marriage license? When it's time to say, I do, we can do that. Our Vital Statistics staff keeps the record of your big day. The county also maintains all property records, including ownership and assessed value. So when it's time to buy, call on us to learn more about your new home. Even in times of trouble, the county sheriff maintains the jail, and our corrections department oversees probationers when they've been released. And at the end of life, our medical examiners team of doctors help families and law enforcement determine and confirm why a person died. With all that we do, the people of Anoka County are with you every step of the way. Now, to understand county government, it helps to know a little about our history. County governments were created more than 150 years ago to perform basically two functions: to act on behalf of the state and to provide services directly to people who lived in more rural areas. Counties could be considered regional offices for the state because there are a lot of services we're required to provide on the state's behalf. If you own a piece of property, we keep the records and assess its value on behalf of the state. The county also manages elections, provides financial, food, and health care assistance to people who have low or no income, and we offer sheriff services in areas where there isn't a city police force. And the state also requires that counties keep vital records such as your birth, death, and marriage certificates. And counties also provide services directly to you, such as your local library, oversight and testing of our water supply, child protection, probation and community corrections, planning, economic development, parks and natural resources, and the thoughtful reuse, recycling, and disposal of waste. How do counties cover all the costs for providing these services? If you own property in the county, you pay property taxes. The total amount of money collected from property owners is called the property tax levy. We also get money in the form of grants from the state and federal government for the services and programs we provide on their behalf. But if it's not enough to cover the entire cost of the program provided, the levy dollars help cover those too. So who gets to decide which programs are offered and at what level? Well, the state sets out guidelines for how they want their programs run. But otherwise, the county policies, programs, and services are guided by a board of commissioners. There are 7 of them in Anoka County, and they are elected to represent a select geographic region of the county. If you're interested in learning more, there's a lot of information on our website at anokacounty.us. The Board of Commissioners operates within a committee system, so there are committees for specific areas of work, such as the Parks Committee, the Human Services Committee, the Finance Committee, and many, many more. The committee and twice-monthly board meetings are open to the public, so you're welcome to attend. In addition, you're always welcome to call, write, or set up a meeting with your commissioner if you have an issue you'd like to discuss. Remember, when you're driving down a county road, stopping by your local license center to renew your tabs or grab a fishing license, getting a copy of your birth certificate, checking out a library book, or getting help for an elderly relative, your county is here for you, and we're with you every step of the way.